Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at cancer in Illinois' arsenic in groundwater. This is going to take a look at arsenic in groundwater, how you're exposed to it, how it gets in your drinking water, how it can affect your health, and how the well water is tested and accepted levels, and how to reduce exposure. So how might you be exposed to arsenic? A person can come in contact with arsenic in many different ways. Since it's a natural part of the environment, everyone is exposed to small amounts of it. We're all exposed to arsenic, actually. That's not cause to panic. That's the fact of it. Now, the amount greatly matters. For most people, the largest source of arsenic is the food we eat. Most foods, including vegetables, fish, and seafood, contain some arsenic. But arsenic in groundwater can enter the body by drinking water or eating food cooked in water. And arsenic does not evaporate in the air and is not easily absorbed through the skin. So how can arsenic get in my drinking water? There's two main ways. Mineral deposits in some areas contain high levels of arsenic, and groundwater flowing through these deposits can dissolve arsenic from minerals. This can increase the amount of arsenic in your well water. Another way arsenic can get into your water is by contact with hazardous waste, and waste material containing arsenic is produced by industries that make or use arsenic. Arsenic has been used as a wood preservative in pesticides and special kinds of glass. Improper disposal of this waste can contaminate groundwater. Also, arsenic has no smell or taste, so you cannot tell if it's in your drinking water. And the only way to find out if your well water has high levels of arsenic is to have it tested. Now, how can it affect your health? Well, how arsenic affects health is not fully known. Studies in the United States have not clearly provided health problems results from drinking water with arsenic levels similar to those naturally found in groundwater in some different wells. Studies in other countries have shown that drinking water contains elevated levels of arsenic that can cause the following health effects: thickening and discoloration of the skin. Sometimes these changes can lead to skin cancer, which may be curable if discovered early. Digestive problems such as stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, numbness in the hands and feet, and many of these health effects are often seen with other common illnesses. So detecting arsenic poisoning can be difficult. Now, how can you get your well water tested? It's a good idea to find a commercial laboratory that's able to do that and check for arsenic for your water for a small fee that has a lot of extensive experience. Now, is there acceptable level of arsenic in drinking water? In October 2001, the EPA established a new maximum level for arsenic in water supplies. The EPA standard is 10 parts per billion or 0.0 parts per million. However, public water supplies have until January to meet this standard. So it's 10 parts per billion or 0.01 parts per million. Now, how can you reduce your exposure to arsenic in water? If elevated levels of arsenic are found in your well, they recommend you stop using well water for drinking and preparing food and use bottled water as an alternative. Now, is there a test to see if you've been exposed to arsenic? If you think you've been exposed to arsenic, consult your doctor, and it can be measured in blood, urine, or hair. So those are some arsenic FAQs to understand it better, where it comes from, how you can be exposed. It's always a good idea to periodically test your water for any level of arsenic.